Namaskar everyone, MRG Study Channel. Welcome. Dear friends, we are discuss Indian polity. Question number 1. Which of the article deals with the grants in aid by the Indian government to the state? Option A, Article 270. Option B, Article 280. Option C, Article 275. Option D, Article 265. Correct answer is option C, Article 275. Next question. Which of the following article deals with the election of the Vice President? Option A, Article 64. Option B, Article 68. Option C, Article 66. Option D, Article 62. Correct answer is option C, Article 66. Next question. Who can remove the Vice President from his office? Option A, President. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Parliament. Option D, Legislative Assembly of the state. Correct answer is option C is correct answer, Parliament. Next question. The term of office of the Vice President is as follows. Option A, 6 years. Option B, 4 years. Option C, 7 years. Option D, 5 years. Correct answer is option D, 5 years. Next question. The Vice President is the ex officio chairman of the DES. Option A, Rajya Sabha. Option B, Lok Sabha. Option C, Planning Commission. Option D, National Development Council. Correct answer is option A, Rajya Sabha. Next question. Dr. Ambedkar was born in option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Karnataka. Option D, Gujarat. Correct answer is option B. Option B is correct answer, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. When was Dr. Ambedkar born? Option A, 14 April 1891. Option B, 14 April 1893. Option C, 15 January 1889. Option D, 6 December 1869. Correct answer is option A. Option A is correct answer, 14 April 1891. Next question. When was Dr. Ambedkar given Bharat Ratna? Option A, 1985. Option B, 1980. Option C, 1990. Option D, 1973. Correct answer option C is correct answer. Option C is correct answer, 1990. Next question. Which of the following political parties has not been formed by Dr. Ambedkar? Correct answer option D. Option D is correct answer. Next question. Dr. Ambedkar was the chairman of which committee constituted to form the Indian Constitution? Option B is correct answer, drafting committee. Next question. Who was the author of the book The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, M.N. Roy. Option C, B.R. Ambedkar. Option D, Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is option C. Option C is correct answer, B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Which of the following books has been written by Dr. Ambedkar? Option A, Letter for a Nation. Option B, Thoughts on Pakistan. Option D, Thoughts on India. Option D, Train to India. Correct answer option B. Option B is correct answer. Option B is correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following article deals with the appointment of the Prime Minister and other minister? Option A, Article 76. Option B, Article 74. Option C, Article 75. Option D, Article 72. Correct answer is option C, Article 75. Next question. The Prime Minister is appointed by which one of the following? Option A, Attorney General of India. Option B, President. Option C, Vice President. Option D, Chief Justice of India. Correct answer, option B. Option B is correct answer, President. Question number 15. Next question. Who among the following shall communicate to the President all the decision of the Council of Ministers under Article 78? Option A, Home Minister. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Attorney General. Option D, Finance Minister. Correct answer, option B is correct answer, Prime Minister. Next question. Who among the following appoints the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court? Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Vice President. Option C, Home Minister. Option D, President. Correct answer, option D is correct answer, President. Next question. Mr. T.S. Thakur is the day's Chief Justice of India. Option A, 41 first. Option B, 46 second. Option C, 43 third. Option D, 44. Correct answer is option C. Option C is correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following articles deals with the pardoning power of the President? Option A, Article 71. Option B, Article 74. Option C, Article 72. Option D, Article 75. Correct answer is option C, Article 72. Next question. Which one of the following article deals with the tenure of the President? Option A, Article 53. Option B, Article 56. Option C, Article 55. Option D, Article 52. Correct answer is option B, Article 56. Next question. Which of the following article deals with the composition of Council of State, Rajya Sabha, and the manner of election of its members? Option A, Article 82. Option B, Article 81. Option C, Article 90. Option D, Article 80. Correct answer is option D. Option D is correct answer, Article 80. Dear friends, please subscribe bell, click, like, comment, and share your friends. Thank you.